So here's a quick video on how to use the structural balance. At the top there, we got put your logo here, and in these two green boxes, we're going to put the information. So in this first green box, let me just tap it. I'm going to use one of my clients. He's 94 kilos in body weight, and his back squat is 115. You can do this in Excel, or you can do it in numbers on if you're using an Apple product, and you can use it in Google Sheets as well. So down this side, we have a list of exercises. The Olympic lifts are here in purple, just because sometimes the Olympic lifts is not a strength problem, it's a technique problem. And down this blue side, this is based on your actual back squat measurement. This is only if you know your back squat. If you have a new client, they might not know what their 1 rep max back squat is. It might not have been tested. You can always put in an estimation or just leave it blank. So working with a client, I know that he can't front squat 197. So I would put a wee cross there, meaning he would need to work on that. And we can just go down the list and see, put little crosses or little ticks on what he can and can't achieve. And that works on his actual back squat. If his back squat is a problem, which this client actually is one of his weakest movements, is his back squat because of his ankle mobility, we can go through here. We have columns coming down the way. We have beginner, novice, U-lift, strong, proficient, elite, and super elite. And we can go down the list and we can just put a line through it if it's achievable, and if it's not achievable, then we can find out what level this client is on. And this will also give what movements he needs to work on. So let's take bench press, for instance. So we could find out this client's bench press is about 100 kilos. So he's in between these two levels. So then we can look at close grip bench press, and I know that he can't do a 95. He's closer to 63 to 79. So this would be something to work on to improve his bench press. And there we have incline press here. So if he can do 105, he should be able to do 84. He can't, he's more 70. So again, this is something to work on. So rather than loading his program up with more bench press, which he's quite proficient in, he needs to work on these things where he's the deficit. So everything in the strong section then gets complete. Then we need to move forward and see if we can complete in the proficient section column, and then move forward and move forward and move forward. So hope that was clear in how to use the spreadsheet.